Hello, and welcome to Linux Tutorials. And today we will show you how to make bulk files renamed in Linux. I use Ubuntu 22.4 on my daily work, but it will work on most of Unix-like systems. So, let us get started. I'm sharing the shell script with you which renames all *mfir files in a directory to file names with desired file name prefixes. We will share a code snippet on a GitHub platform as a public gist. Check out the first pinned comment under this video for a link to a gist. So, here is the code. It does all the work. I'm closing it. I'm making a shell script with execution permission using the command chmod fv755 bulk rename sh. Then I'm running /bin/bash n bulk rename sh to check shell script syntax. Everything is fine. Script does not have a syntax errors. I'm executing it with a command, a /bulk rename sh. It shows renamed mfir files in the directory. Let us check the directory listing using command lsl. Everything looks great. All mfir files got renamed correctly. That is all, folks. Thank you for watching this tutorial to the end. Please subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. See you in the next Linux tutorials. See you soon. Have a good day.